Welcome back, shop rats. Today here in the shop, we've got packages, something I've been waiting for. So excited to get, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's watch the show intro. We'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike, and this is My Car Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
The timing couldn't be any better. We've just surpassed our 1,000 and our channel is in the process of becoming monetized, and we're earning 2.67 cents every 6 weeks now on the channel. I'm kidding, of course, but in the beginning stages, it's obviously a pretty small amount of money, but the fact is, a penny saved is a penny earned. But anyway, the timing was perfect because I have been waiting for this to come to celebrate, and I thought it all just fell together, and we're putting out this special episode today to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers. We're approaching our 300th episode on the channel. And well, let's just open the box. It arrived today, and I came home from work and it was sitting on the steps. It is from the Schultz Sign Company in Monona, Iowa. So some of you are going to know what that means, and some of you not yet. But let's just get into it. Open this up. Thank you, Colleen. This thing works great. I will find a way to cut myself with this, I'm sure. I haven't seen any of this, so let's see what we got. Oh my, we've got stuff. We have a long sleeve, and on the back, isn't that awesome? Wow, that is incredible. I'm gonna just like take it in. That is so cool. A Stitches shirt, long sleeve. Then we have, oh, look at that one. How cool is that? It's got little stitches on the front, and it's got a big stitches on the back. I love the stitching around the word stitches. Great job, guys. Ben and Cindy, you guys knocked it out of the park. Definitely. What else do we got? Blank on the back, and ooh, I like that. And it's got the big logo on the front. My goodness, we got stuff. Another long sleeve, and it's just got the MKS on the front. It's blank on the back. Oh, that's awesome. Matches the MKS hat, right? What else do we got? Oh, we just got stuff. Blank on the back. Ooh, I like that. With the big logo on the front. Fabrication, restoration, preservation, and more. My Car Shop. Isn't that awesome? Just outstanding work. Love it. What else we got? Ooh, we got koozies. Got a tan one here, which just says My Car Shop on it. And we've got one that has stitches with My Car Shop. And we've got a purple one. Oh, that one's going to be Becky's. There's no way that she'll surrender purple to anybody. And we've got a green one. I'll bring those over so you can see them. Isn't that cool? What else do we have? Ooh, we have more stuff. We have, I think I know what this is. I don't think I can use that Super Duty opener, Colleen, sorry. I got a knife. He's got a knife. That's not a knife. This is a knife. It's sharp. Well, there we go. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. We got stickers. We got stickers on our stickers. We've got an MKS sticker. Hopefully you can see these. And we've got small MKS and stitches and just stuff. Lots of stuff. More of that MKS. Oh, I like this one with the welder. Look at that. It's got a welder coming around, arcing up above the MKS. That one's cool. They're all cool. Stitches looks great. Oh yeah. Look at that. You see that? The welder, and then this one with the shield and the paint guns, the tools. Awesome. Blown away. Another one of those. More of those. Looks like it's just a lot of duplicates, which we will put to great use. Oh yeah, awesome stuff. Different sizes. I love that with the welder. That is cool. I love these big ones too. Awesome. Wow. These are just amazing. So here's the good news. All of this stuff is going to be available real soon for you guys. We're working out the final details now, and we will have a page up soon where you can buy all of this and more if the price is right. You can buy all of this. You guys have been asking for a long time for t-shirts and stuff like that. We had sold some hats. I haven't gotten another order of those because these things are bloody expensive. We're going to be getting more hats, but this company doesn't do that. But Ben and Cindy Schultz, check them out. I mean, it's great stuff. If you need merchandise for anything, be sure to look them up. I'll put a link to their page and their website and so forth down there in the comments. What a way to celebrate, huh? I think it's just so incredibly awesome. I'm not a very good model, I know. But check them out and, just give me a little time here and we will get you guys a link to where you can get this stuff. So I really can't say enough how, first of all, thank you so much to all the subscribers who have worked hard to get us over that 1,000 mark, especially to Dawn from Australia for all the hard work you did at the end there to get us over that hump. Couldn't have done it without you. I appreciate it. Thank you, my friend. So much, just my mind is blown. It's been a hard road to get here. We haven't taken the easy way doing the number of episodes we do a week, but that's starting to pay off now, and I'm really, really glad that I stuck to it. We will continue to stick to it as much as possible. Obviously, this is a bonus episode outside the norm, but I'm just excited and I wanted to share all this stuff with you. And don't worry, there's going to be some merchandise coming soon with Roderick, so watch for that. I appreciate you being here. Like I said, check them out, Schultz Sign Company, Monona, Iowa. Couldn't be happier. Could not be happier. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. It helps everybody out here so much. And we're on the Face thing. Instagram loves us, /MyCarShop. And one more thing. Don't forget, it's very important. Rock!